Excel is a powerful spreadsheet application that is commonly used for tasks like data analysis, budgeting, and creating charts and graphs. I'll cover some basic functions and features to help you get started. 1. Opening Excel. Launch Microsoft Excel on your computer. You can typically find it in the Microsoft Office or Office 365 suite of applications. 2. Creating a new workbook. When Excel opens, you'll see a blank workbook with cells organized in rows and columns. This is where you'll enter and manipulate your data. 3. Entering data. Click on a cell and start typing to enter data. Press Enter to move to the cell below or use the arrow keys. 4. Formatting cells. You can format cells by changing fonts, colors, and cell alignment using the options in the Excel ribbon. 5. Formulas and functions. Excel is known for its ability to perform calculations. You can use formulas and functions to do this. For example, to add two numbers, equals A1 plus B1 . To find the average of a range of numbers, equals average, A1, A10, . To count the number of values in a range, equals count, A1, A10, . 6. Autofill. Excel can automatically fill in a series of numbers, dates, or text. Just select the cell with the initial value and drag the fill handle, a small square at the bottom right corner of the selected cell, down or across. 7. Creating charts. Excel makes it easy to create various types of charts and graphs to visualize your data. Select your data range and then go to the Insert tab to choose a chart type. 8. Sorting and filtering data. You can sort data in ascending or descending order and apply filters to easily narrow down your data. Use the Sort and Filter options in the Data tab. 9. Saving your work. Regularly save your workbook by clicking File, and then Save, or Save As. Choose a location on your computer to save the file. 10. Printing. To print your Excel sheet, go to the File tab and select Print. You can adjust print settings such as page orientation, size, and margins. 11. Excel functions. Excel offers a wide range of built-in functions. Explore functions like sum, average, if, VLOOKUP, and more to perform complex calculations and data analysis. 12. Help and tutorials. If you encounter issues or need more guidance, Excel has a built-in help feature. Press F1, and also offers online tutorials and documentation on the Microsoft Office website. This is just a basic introduction to Excel. The program has many more advanced features and capabilities to explore as you become more familiar with it. Practice and experimentation will help you become proficient in using Excel for various tasks. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe the channel for more updates.